Alright, what's going on everybody? It's your boy with the messy hair here today, and we were discussing a shoe that I finally copped before it was too late. I finally bought this shoe as an investment. It's another one, again, added to the kind of collection that we've been building up here in college. You can see we got some pairs back there kind of building up. Maybe you can see it, probably not, but yeah, it's just another one that I finally got, and I'm happy to kind of unbox this one and show you all what it is in this video. So you guys, again, it's a reminder, buy the shoe, and just kind of showing you all another sneaker investment that you guys can go buy right now, because it's a good time to buy it right before summer. And April is a good month to just keep buying shoes, and I've been buying a lot of pairs this month and kind of recently. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Again, if you want more kind of sneaker unboxing, sneaker investment videos, you can subscribe below. You can also drop a like. Goal in this video, since it's unboxing, let's try and go for 250 likes. It depends on how many people watch this, but I'd like to hit 250 likes. So if we could hit that, just drop a like. I'd appreciate that. But again, not the end of the world if you don't. It's not like a huge deal to me. But if you also want to drop a comment, feel free to let me know what you think. Any questions, leave them below, and you can check my Discord in the description also. But yeah, enough said. Seriously, let's just get into it now. All right, so obviously I got a pretty good deal on this shoe. I mean, not obviously. Sometimes your boy is just known for sometimes having a bad deal here and there. But recently been getting good deals, and this is another one that's been a very good deal. So shout out to Instagram reseller I got it from. He doesn't want like a shout out or anything, so I'm gonna keep it low key. But if he's watching this video, just know I'm gonna get back to your DM soon. I'm trying to help you out since you got me a deal. I'm gonna try and help you out with the pair of shoes you were trying to get or whatever. But this is the University one, the Jordans. You already know, the University Blues. Those I've been talking about these ones for a while. I've been saying buy pairs, and I finally got my pair. From Finish Line. You can just see that. I'm not gonna show too much on it because I think it shows maybe some info on it. But yeah, Finish Line, so y'all know it's legit. But I got this pair for $350 dead stock, so great deal. And again, I will be, if y'all want me to make a video on how to get good deals on shoes after they drop, then let me know. I can do that. I mean, I did make a video on like how to resell locally, and I think I've made a video of that degree, but I'm gonna make like a bulk buying sneaker investment video, and I'll also make one if you're just trying to buy one or two pairs at a time. But yeah, I got this one for $350, so pretty good deal, I'd say, at least for the market right now being at around, I'd say like 410, 425. Last time I checked, that's what it was. And honestly, I think as I said, I don't think they're ever dropping below 400, and I haven't seen many sales below it at all. I've seen most, again, closest it's gotten, it's like 410, 405. I mean, I've seen like some at 408, but I've not seen any below 400 yet. But again, this is me getting a pair for below 400, so me being kind of a hypocrite since I bought mine for 350. Yeah, kind of looking further onto the details of this one. The suede on this shoe is pretty crazy. And sorry for the green dot. I got like my light shining on my camera. I'll try and move that out of the way. So yeah, there you go. Hopefully that moved out of the way. But you guys can kind of see the suede on the shoe. I'm trying to get it to focus a little bit more. So hopefully it will. But yeah, you can see that. And the green dot's still on it. So I didn't really do much right there by moving it at all. But yeah, you can kind of see it's present on there. There you go. I just covered it. So hopefully now, it'll focus better. So sorry for that. But yeah, you can kind of see. I mean, that suede is pretty clean. I'm messing with it. Again, it's kind of that Carolina blue, University blue, whatever you want to call it. And again, kind of that white and black on the center, the black swoosh with kind of the white toe box and all that goes really well together with it. And my shoe doesn't really have any like flaws, it seems like, which I'm very happy about that. I'm very, very, very happy about that. I got a good clean pair, and I'll show you all the laces and stuff and all that. The laces, I think I messed it up saying it there a second ago. Sometimes I'd be mumbling words, but yeah, this at least kind of the sole of the shoe, you can see it kind of matches really well with the suede, which is something I like. It is a little bit lighter, but I think it actually kind of fits really well, which is just a kind of another detail of the shoe. But again, if you're trying to invest in the shoe, I'll kind of say this real quick. Buy our pairs for under $400 if you can. Again, I know it's very hard to find pairs for under that price range, but I mean, you could buy them for what they're going for market right now. It's just, that's a lot of money to put aside for one investment. But as you guys know, a lot of the good investments lately have been a lot of money. Again, Turbo, the Hyper Royals, these ones, Top Hazes. A lot of those, dunks that have been going up over the summer. I mean, again, I've been saying dunks aren't a good investment, but I've been completely wrong on some of those. I mean, it looks like they're here to stay for the summertime, so some of them you can hold through the summer, I guess. And especially if they're modeling after a classic colorway, it seems that it still applies, that it will go up. So I'll continue discussing maybe some dunk investments, but there's still better ones than dunks since some have been inconsistent and not rising as much. But back to the University Blue Jordan 1 right here. We'll just kind of look further onto this one. I'll show you all the other pair at least, so I can show you all the laces. So the laces, it does come, you know, with that extra pair right there, kind of, you know, that Carolina blue, those laces. If you want to wear it without those ones, and you can, you have that choice. And honestly, I'm very happy to have this pair now, and you know, no flaws on either pair. So you know, you can see them both. Kind of hold them up. Oh, well, that fell off, and that was blocking the laser. I'm not really gonna do any more like close-up shots really, but yeah, you can kind of see I got just a size 8 pair, so not a pair I can wear, but a great pair, good size to invest in. I'm happy about a size 8. And you know, after, you know, all the restocks that happened for this one, since those are pretty much done now, I mean, shoot, it's time. It's time. You know, these shoes are gonna, I assume, start rising soon. I mean, I don't see any reason why they wouldn't not rise, you know, soon. It just, you know. And if you don't know what I mean, then I'm thinking these ones again over the summer. It's a Jordan 1. It's suede. There's not a lot like not every Jordan 1 that drops is suede. Sometimes it's like a leather or patent leather. But this is just another one that again kind of resembles, you know, after the mocha, but it's more. It's a better colorway. Honestly, the mocha does go for more now, I know, but I mean, this one's already not too far from it, and it hasn't even started at a time where it will rise yet. And if you think about it, I mean, these I'm thinking will probably head towards 550, 600 pretty soon. They could head towards 650, but my prediction is 550, 600 probably in around 6 months. It might not even take that long. You saw how quickly the mochas rose. They really got to that kind of high portion of like 4 to 5 months, I think. I think that's how long it took. Maybe a little bit longer. That's why I said 6, but I'm thinking around 6 months, 550, 600 on these ones. There's no way these ones don't rise, honestly, because I mean, the restocks are done, all that's done on it. Of course, there'll always be, you know, a pair or two dropping somewhere, but I mean, that's not gonna like affect the market. That happens with like a ton of shoe releases, and yeah, you know, I would just buy your pairs, any size really. Again, even if you're not confident in this one, even though I'm very confident in it, then just wait for the Hyper Royals. That's one that I don't even think I have to tell you all that it'll go up. But you know, just look at the mocha chart and know that this one's gonna do the same thing, just in a different colorway. So that's all I gotta say. And haircut soon? No, never. But it's really outro. Anyways, if you guys do want more content just like this video, more unboxing videos, y'all already know I can hit you all with more of these for sure in the future. So feel free to subscribe below. You can also drop a like. Again, goal in this video I said was 250 likes, so I'd appreciate it if you could hit it, since I know, you know, more than 250 people will watch this video. But you know, it's not again like the end of the world if we don't hit it. I'm not like, you know, it's not like the biggest deal to me. I'm just glad I got a video out. I'm sorry that I couldn't upload yesterday. I had 2 like 8-page papers that I had to write that I kind of left to, you know, pretty much like 2 days or a day before I had to do them. So I spent a lot of time doing those, and I wasn't really focused on doing videos and that, because, you know, still got school and stuff I got to work on for now at least. But maybe if this YouTube stuff works out, then we'll get past that, since you know, that takes up a lot of time too. But that's all your boy has to say. So, you know, go follow my Instagrams down below. Again, as I mentioned at the start, Discord's also down below. That was in the intro. And yeah, check both those out. Give me a follow, you know, check those out. But that's all I gotta say. So hopefully I will catch you on the next video, and drop any questions you have down below about investing in this shoe, where to buy. You want a video about where to buy, you know, sneaker investments? I think I did one like a couple months ago, but you know, I can update it at least as best I can. So that's all I gotta say. Catch you on the next one. Peace.